Okay. The middle one's done. Middle pickup is done. So let's work on the bridge pickup. We'll get you down in there. Okay. And what I just learned now from trial and error is to raise the pickup, you tighten it. Like, you know, turn the screw so you're tightening this, so you're turning it to the right, clockwise. Turn the screw clockwise, tighten, righty-tighty, to raise the pickup. And obviously, if you want the you know, pickup to go down, lefty-loosey, you turn it counterclockwise. So we're doing we're raising the pickup height . Okay, that's a little too much, so we're going to loosen just a little. So it, okay. That's a little too much, so we're going to loosen that just a tad. Loosen it just a little more. There we go. Okay, that's good. Okay. All right. The bridge pickup is now done. We will now take you to the neck pickup. Yes, this is the moment of truth. Yeah. Our finishing everything. Yep. The finishing touches. Okay. Raise the pickup. see. No, that's a little too much. See if they come out again. Oh, let's see, this one needs to come down a little more. Like that. Let's see. Try this again. Again. All right. All right. So our pickup height is all set to go. Let's do a final tuning, and then see where we're at, you know? Oh, yeah. I am very glad to be, you know, just about finished with this project, because, you know, not that I don't enjoy doing it, you know, I do, but it's just been taking so long, you know. Wow. All these little minute interruptions, you might say. Wow. So yeah, let's get her tuned up. Awesomeness. Wow. That is just pleasing to my ears right now. Oh yeah. So, guess what it's time to do now? Yep, you guessed it. We're going to give her the we're going to give her the test. All right. I am going to unplug this tuner. Unplug the tuner. Because I don't need that on anymore. We're gonna plug into a cord, guitar cord, and we're gonna do a sound test on it. Gonna do a sound test. Alright, we're gonna zoom out and I think I'm gonna actually have to bring the camera up so we can get a nice shot of this, of me playing. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Can you see me okay? Yeah, barely. And you can see from my neck down, but actually not from my neck up. Yeah, why would we want to see your face? Well, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That sounds like a good number tonight. Yeah. Okay, well, we've got a little more. Got a little more of me. Okay, that's all the way up. That is all the way up now. Let's see, how's this doing? How does that look? Can you see me? The only thing I can do is just to do that. Right? Let's see. Now you can see my face in my Guitar World t-shirt logo. Okay. Can you see the guitar? Well. Maybe if I zoom out a little, like that. How's that? Yeah, now you can barely see me. Let's zoom in just a little. A little more. Okay. Got to make sure that we. Okay. So we're gonna plug into our Marshall amp, which you've been hearing me use, and we're gonna do a sound check. Oh yes. And I'm thinking, should I use the Angry Driver? Yeah, let's use it. Yeah. Let's use it. We can do that. It'll just make it sound cooler. Yeah. make it sound that much cooler. Oop, wrong side. Wrong side. There we go. Alright. So okay. I'm gonna go get a guitar strap and I'll be back in a jiffy. Alright, we got our strap. How's that? The Iron Cross. Alright. Okay. Coolness. Coolness. Alright everybody, there we go. Here's our Squire Strat that we've been working on for the past few months. We've got the Dave Murray pickups in here, made by Seymour Duncan. All new electronics have been put in, and the bridge system is brand new. Okay, brand new graphite tusk nut. So, and got all brand new turners, as you can see. Okay, and that wood piece that we cracked. Look at it. You can't even tell that it was ever cracked. Look at that. Just beautiful, I say. And we even put on a new neck plate right there. The old one was chrome. This one brand new. And we even put in noiseless springs underneath the bridge. But the only thing we did keep was the claw. Was this part. So now on for the sound check. I'm going to have to cut this one short because it's getting a little bit late here. So I didn't mess with any volume settings at all, but it is coming out a little more better, as they say. Okay, so let's unplug this tonight, and if I had more time and it was a little earlier, I would go the distance. But yep, so here she is. Right here. We made her a player. So hey, it sounds better than when it probably did in 2007. That's when this that's when she was made. 2007. So according to the serial number. Yeah. So yeah, we got our spring, or our pickup height, adjusted, as you can see there. Yeah, look at the pickup height. That looks really they look really close to the strings, don't they? So all right, so that's it on the Stratocaster for now. Got another project in the works. Just gotta find some time to do it, and we'll be coming back at you with a couple of those right there. And until next time, peace out.